Hi guys, Super Saturday to you. Today is Saturday the 3rd of March 2018 and here is another update on my Best Easy Work promotion for 2018. Well, I did promise you that I was going to do some more offline advertising for Best Easy Work, and as you can see here, I'm already in my training area. This is the training area for Best Easy Work, and you can see this is one of the graphics here in the training area. Inbound calls, we answer for you, no selling, no talking, no hassles, right? Get paid daily, 500 plus days. So I decided to do some business cards for Best Easy Work, and to get my business cards I simply copied and pasted this graphic here in the back office, and I copied and pasted it onto a Microsoft Word document, and it's the same image here, but I added extra text, my personal text. I added international home business, and I also included my domain name, which is wifinuggets.com. So the only difference between this graphic that you're seeing here and my business card is that the business card has international home business and my domain name for Best Easy Work, which is wifinuggets.com. So that was super simple to do. Just copy and paste from the graphic area any graphic that you like. So you can go down, you can scroll down, and you can choose any of the graphics, or if you wish you can choose a graphic that you like, but I decided to go with this graphic here. I decided to go with this graphic here, which is graphic number 4, and I added my domain name Wi-Fi Nuggets, and I added international home business. So let me just show you that business card. I'm going to bring it really close for you to see. So you can see this is the business card right here. I added my domain name. You can see international home business, and you can see wifinuggets.com, international home business, wifinuggets.com. And what I'm doing is I'm simply going out there, talking to people. With Best Easy Work you don't have to talk to people, but I promote any way I want, and it's super easy to just talk to people, give out my business cards, and get sign-ups. Now some people may not respond to the business cards, but I noticed when I started giving out these business cards, I have been getting sign-ups daily, so that is very encouraging. So definitely all you have to do is just go into your back office, copy and paste the graphics. Just copy and paste the graphics. You can put in your domain name. In my case, my domain name is wifinuggets.com. And if you wish, you can put an additional text like international home business, or work at home, or make money at home. Anything simple like that, and you're good to go. So if there's anybody out there who's interested in joining my Best Easy Work business, definitely sign up on my link below. It's in the description below. And if any of you come on my team, I will definitely add you to our Best Easy Work Facebook group, our Best Easy Work Facebook group for additional training and support. And if you do come on a paid level, for example, if you come on any level, doesn't matter which one, $80 level, the 188, 288, it really doesn't matter which level you come on as a paid member, I will definitely get you free of charge your domain name. I actually purchased my domain name on a website, namescheap.com. So if you come on my team at any paid level, at a level that you can afford to, I will definitely, and you connect with me, I'm your sponsor, I will be your sponsor. I will definitely get you into the Facebook group, and I will purchase your domain name for you, right? And of course help you with your promotion. So Best Easy Work is a business, as I said before, you can promote online and offline, and I'm big on my online advertising, but as I said, I'm definitely going to do more and more offline advertising, and my business cards are just one of the ways I'm promoting Best Easy Work offline. So as I said, all you have to do is just choose your graphic from the training area, right? Choose any of the graphics you like. You can even make up your own graphics, but I like the graphics in the back office, to be very honest with you. I love the graphics, right? I decided to go with the this graphic here, which is graphic 4. Graphic 4 in the back office. I added my domain name, just a matter of copying and pasting into a Word document. I saved it on a flash drive, and I carried it into a printer, and I got my business cards professionally done. So really happy about that. So guys, if you really want to join Best Easy Work, join my team. The link is in the description, and I'll be happy to help you get started right away. So remember, when you do join, connect with me on Facebook. I'm going to leave my Facebook link in the description as well. I'll add you to the Best Easy Work Facebook group, and definitely once you come in as a paid member, I will show you the strategies that I'm using to promote Best Easy Work, as well as get you your domain name free of charge. So guys, that's definitely it. And this is just the first business card that I have for Best Easy Work. I will be coming out with some more business cards, and as soon as I get them, I will definitely make another video to let you know how my offline advertising is going for Best Easy Work. So guys, for sure, I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye bye.